Hello children, today I am going to teach in English subject these, those and that, is and are related activity. Book number 7 and page number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Children, before let me tell you date, day, weather and season. Which date today? Today 3 December 2020. And which day today? Today Thursday. How is weather outside? Weather cold. And which season going on? Winter season. Children, in last video I have already revised these, is, that, and when we use these, when we use that, when we use is, and when we use are. And next activity is also our related is, are, these, that and those. So children, look here. First, page number 3. Write is or are. Okay, what is our heading? Write is or are in the blanks. A and D and completed the sentences. WRITE, write. is, or, ARE, are, in, THE, the, BLANK is blanks, AND and COMPLET complete, THE, the, SENTENCEA sentences. That means write is or in the blanks and complete the sentences. Okay. So children look here. First is our sentence THE, the boy, blank, in, POOL, pull. That means the boy is in the pool. Only for one boy. So we write here is. The boy is in pool. Understand? Whenever we explain about one person, one thing, that time we use only for is. And whenever we explain about two or many things, that time we use are. So, THE, the, GIRLS, girls. You know children, already known से यहाँ पे दो girls है. How many girls? Girls मतलब S लगा है मतलब one and many. So the girls happy, blank, HAPPY, happy. The girls are happy. Okay. The girls are happy. Understood children? And next 3 number THE, the, LION, lion, blank, BIG, big. The lion only for one lion, not a one and another on a lion. Okay. So the lion is big. Okay. The lion is big. Okay. 4 number THE, the, PIGES, pigs, the pigs. Okay. The pigs, blank, in, THE, the, STY, stay. The pigs, blank, in the stay. Okay. जो pig है वो कहाँ है? Stay के अंदर है. Okay. So the pigs are in the stay. Okay. The pigs are in the stay. Understand children? Now next 5 number THE, the, bird, blank, RED, red. The bird only for one bird. The bird is red. Okay. The bird is red. Now next one THE, the, DOLL, doll, blank, in, THE, the, box. Look here children. The dolls, one and many dolls. The dolls are in the box. The dolls are in the box. Now next one, THE, the, BALL, ball. THE, the, BALL, ball. Blank, BLUE, blue. The ball is blue, only for one ball. Okay. The ball is blue. Next, the figs. FIGS, figs मतलब one and many. The figs, blank, IN, THE, the, PLATE, plate. The figs are in the plate. Understand, children? These activities related for is and are. Okay? Which one? Is and are. When we explain, when we write is, because only for one thing and one person. Understand? And when we use are, when that time one and many more thing. Okay? So, ma'am, the boy is in pool. The girls are happy. The lion is big. The pigs are in the stable. The bird is red. The dolls are in the box. The ball is blue. The figs are in the plate. Understand? Now next page, book number 7, same. C and SEECAND and WRITE, right. C and right. THIS, this, OR, or, THEAC, these or these, to completed the sentences. Children, yeah, what we use here? We use these and these. Pronunciation is the same, but pronunciation is the same, but answer is different. Okay, meaning is different. Why? So look here, first is a dog. Okay, look here, only for one dog, and there is, here is two dog. Okay, understand, children? So look here, one dog here, so this. Okay, these, T, only one dog, so THIS, this. We write here THIS, this. This is dog. Okay, why? Because only one dog. And understand? And next, two dog. Here is two dogs. So these are dogs. Same, I mean pronunciation different, pronunciation same, but meaning is different. Like this, हम यहाँ write, what we write here? THEAC, these. This is dog. These are dogs. Okay, समझ में आया? Now next is ant. This is ant. Only one ant. So we write here THIS, this. This is ant. And there is three ants. So these are ants. THEAC, these are ants. Understand? Now next, picture one pot. This is pot. Okay, and these are pots. These, THIS, this. And look here, here is four pots. So these are pots. Okay, children, are you understand what I told you? And look here, here is one hut. This is a hut. Okay, this is a hut. And next, these are huts. One and many. THESE, these. These are hearts. Now next, this is a tree, only for one tree, so we use these. THIS, these. This is a tree, and next is a, this is trees, that means so many trees. Understand? Again I repeat, this is dog. These are dogs. This is ant. These are ants. This is pot. These are pots. This is a hut. These are huts. This is a tree. These are trees. Understands, children? Okay. Now you this exercise completed in your book number 7. Now children, next activity, fill in the blanks. FILL, fill, IN, in, THE, the, BLANK, blanks, with, THIS, this, THAT, that, this, that, THEAC, these, or THOAC, those. You know, when we use these and that, already you know everybody, because in last video I have explained. Okay, whenever something is nearby me, that time we use this and this, and whenever something far away, that time we use that and those. You know. Now children, look here, it's a one book. Okay, so book is nearby me. Okay, this side, that means nearby me. So we write here THIS, this. This is a book. Again you read, this is a book. And then next picture, 2 books. How many books? 2 books. So what we write here? These. THESE, these. These are books. These are books. Understand? Now children, bird picture is here. Okay, there. Why? It is far away. That means that side picture draw. That means it's far away. IS is a bird. That, THAT, that is a bird. Okay. Why we use that? Because bird is far away. Then are birds. Those are birds. THOAC, those. Those are birds. Understand? Now next picture is apple. Apple is also nearby me. So I write here THIS, this. This is an apple. Okay. This is an apple. And there, how many apple is there? So many. So we write here, these are apples. Okay. These are apples. THESE, these are apples. Now children, next picture, engine. Is an engine, only for one engine, and engine's picture is far away. So look here, THAT, that is an engine. Okay, that is an engine. And next, there is 2 picture engine. So look here, how many engine? 2 engine. So we write here, those are engine. Okay, understand? Again I repeat, this is a book. If you don't fill up, so you again fill up and copy down. If you don't copy down in your book, these are books. That is a bird. Those are birds. This is an apple. These are apples. That is an engine. Those are engine. Okay. Now children, next activity. It's a USE use. What is our heading? USE use. THIS this, THAT that, THEAC these, OR or, THOAC those. That means use these, that, these or those to complete the sentences. We use these, that, those, these and completed the sentence. Okay. So look here. Here is picture draw. That means is a nearby me, and there is a picture draw. That means far away. Okay. So first picture is ring. So what we write here? This is a ring. What we write here? THIS. This. This is a ring. Then look here. Was picture is far away. So that is was. THAT. That. That is was. And next, how many pen is there? Here is 2 pens. So these are pens. Okay. These are pens. And next picture is bugs. How many bugs? 2 bugs. Because bugs picture is far away. So we write here THOSE. Those. Those are bugs. Understand children? And next picture is bag. Bag is also far away. So we write here THAT. That. That is a bag. Okay. That is a bag. Next picture is bird. So look here. This. 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 IS is a bird. Bird. This is a bird. And next picture, buns. How many buns? 2 buns. And his buns picture is far away. So look here. Those are buns. Okay. THOAC. Those. ARERBUNS. Buns. Those are buns. And next, how many cup is there? 2 cups. How many cups? 2 cups. So look here children. So nearby me. So these are cups. These are cups. Okay. You complete it? Okay. Children, again repeat. This is a ring. That is was. These are pens. Those are bugs. That is a bag. This is a bird. Those are buns. And these are cups. It's all our activity related from book number 7. Understand children? Book number 7, page number 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. ठीक है? And 6.